Now we know already if a circle make intercept on x-axis, then that is 2 root over g square minus c. If a circle made intercept on y-axis, that is 2 root over f square minus c. If a circle touches x-intercept is what? 2 root over g square minus c, where g square minus c greater than 0. I gave you already. They y-intercept is what? 2 root over f square minus c, where f square minus c also greater than 0. And if a circle touches, this is intercept, this is touches. If a circle touches x-axis, then the condition g square minus c is equal to 0 or g square is equal to c. If a circle touches y-axis, then the condition f square minus c is equal to 0 or f square is equal to c. If a circle not touches x-axis, not touches y-axis, this is touching, this is intercept. And if a circle not touching x-axis and y-axis, therefore g square minus c less than 0, f square minus c less than 0. This is not touching. These are the conditions already I gave you. Now what I am telling, the equation of the circle touch x-axis, then g square equal to c, and the equation of the circle is in the form of, the equation of the circle touches x-axis is, this is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. C is what? G square plus g square is equal to 0. Touches x-axis. X-axis ni touch చేస్తే ఈక్వేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే ఇలా ఉంటుంది. అదే touches y-axis, then what condition f square equal to c కదా, then x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c f square is equal to 0. Next, the equation of the circle touching both axes, then g square equal to f square equal to c. I told you already, ikkade cheppanu, g square equal to f square equal to c, and the equation of the circle is in the form of, touching both axes, then the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. c అంటే g square plus f, g square కావచ్చు f square కావచ్చు. అయితే రెండిట్లో రెండు సేమ్ కాబట్టి c నే రాద్దాం. కానీ మనకున్న కండిషన్ ఏంటి? వి హావ్ కండిషన్ ఇస్ వాట్? g square is equal to c ఉంది, f square is equal to c ఉంది. g square equal to c means g is equal to plus or minus root c, and f is equal to plus or minus root c. And substitute these values here, then you will get what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus or minus 2 root cx plus or minus 2 root cy plus or minus c is equal to 0 is the equation. So this is the equation of the circle which is touching x-axis and y-axis, both axes ni touch చేసినప్పుడు ఇది equation. Now I will give you different forms of circle. Different forms. Origin నుంచి పోతే ఎలా ఉంటది? If circle passing to origin, if circle meets x-axis, what is the equation? If center of circle lying x-axis, what is the circle? Y-axis, what is the circle? Like this, there are different types of equations. The main use of these different types of equations is time saving. Time saving only the main use, and that is only the very important for us. So first one, if the circle passing through 0, 0, P means point which is passing through circle, remember always. C means center which is having for circle. P ante point, C ante center. If the circle passing through 0, 0 and having intercepts alpha and beta, see this is x-intercept alpha, this is y-intercept beta, then this point will be a some alpha comma 0 and this point b some 0 comma beta. If a circle passing through 0 comma 0 and making intercepts alpha and beta, on x and y axis respectively, then that circle equation is x square plus y square minus alpha x minus beta y is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus alpha x minus beta y is equal to 0. This is first one. And second one, when the circle touches x-axis, then what is the equation of the circle? When the circle touches x-axis, at some alpha comma 0, and this is center. When the circle touches x-axis, then the equation of the circle and the center is alpha comma beta, and touching at alpha comma 0, then the equation of the circle x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square, but r is nothing but what? This is the r. This is only r, this is nothing but what? Alpha beta, right? So here this is nothing but y coordinate beta. This is nothing but what? Y coordinate beta. Then the equation of the circle will be x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to r square means beta square. Circle equation which is touching x-axis at alpha comma 0. Okay. Next one. When the circle touches y-axis at 0 comma beta, 0 comma alpha, whatever it is, alpha comma 0, 0 comma alpha, whatever it is. Third one, when the circle touches y-axis, and the center is alpha comma beta, and this is clearly alpha. This is alpha and this is beta. Okay, and touches at where b some 0 comma beta, 0 comma beta. This is the point 0 comma beta. This is center alpha comma beta. This is the radius alpha. Then the circle equation I am writing center what? Alpha comma beta, and b what? 0 comma beta. B to ani a to gan use ledu, but I am writing. Then the circle equation r is what? R is what here? Alpha. Here also we have to write r. R is equal to what here? Beta. R is equal to beta. Then the circle equation is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to alpha square. Why? Because r is alpha. Radius is alpha. And next one, the circle equation, when the circle equation touches both axes, when the circle equation touches both axes, when the circle touches both axes, then the circle equation. This is the center, alpha comma beta, and radius should be same, right? Then this is alpha and this is alpha. Then the center also will be alpha comma alpha. Y coordinate, x coordinate both should be same. Yes, center alpha should be alpha comma alpha. Then touches both axes, then center is equal to alpha comma alpha, and the radius is also alpha. Then the circle equation x minus alpha whole square plus y minus alpha whole square is equal to r square is alpha again alpha square. This is the equation of the circle touches both axes. And when the circle touches x-axis at alpha comma 0 and cuts the y-intercept with length 2l, fifth one, when the circle touches x-axis a some alpha comma 0, touches x-axis at alpha comma 0 and cuts y-intercept. This is y-intercept. Cuts y-intercept with length what given? The length of the y-intercept is given 2l, and this is center. And what is the equation of the circle? Center is alpha comma beta. What is the equation of the circle is asking when the condition is what? Circle touching x-axis at some point, making y-intercept some 2l, length is 2l. Then what is the circle equation? That is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to beta square. X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to beta square, where beta is there. See, alpha comma 0 will be given to some 2 comma 0, and the length also given 2l is equal to some 20, 30, whatever it is. But center is what? Alpha comma beta, right? This alpha is given, but beta is not given. But in the formula, we have beta all x minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square is equal to beta square. What about beta? The beta value is, since beta is equal to root over alpha square plus L square. Since beta is equal to root over alpha square plus L square. Next, when the circle touches y-axis, when the circle touches y-axis at some point, making x-intercept, touches y-axis at some point b 0 comma beta or alpha, whatever it is, 0 comma beta, and cuts x-intercept with length 2k. This length is given 2k, and this is the center. Alpha comma beta is the center. Here alpha is not given. The circle equation is what? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to, I think, alpha square is equal to alpha square. What about alpha? Alpha is equal to root over beta square plus L square. Alpha is equal to root over, yes, beta square plus k square. Here given in terms of k, right? Plus k square. So this is the formula. This is circle touches x-axis making y-intercept. Touches y-axis making x-intercept. And one more, when the circle passing through origin and center lies on x-axis. When the circle passing through x-axis, sorry, passing through 0 comma 0 point, this is center on x-axis. On x-axis always y0. Center on x-axis. That is what? Center alpha comma 0. Why? Because center on x-axis, right? On x-axis y is 0. You will get like this circle. Yes. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is the center. Lies on x-axis. So alpha comma 0 is the center. There is no beta. Y coordinate undadu. Then the circle equation is what? X minus alpha whole square y square is equal to radius. We need radius also, I think, alpha. Why? Because ikkada nunchi ikkadiki radius idega. So x minus alpha whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to radius square is nothing but alpha square. Okay. Explain cheste alpha cancel అయిపోతుంది. So that is the equation. And next, when the circle passing through 0 comma 0, passing through 0 comma 0, and center is lies on y-axis. Center lies on y-axis means 0 comma beta you will get. This is center 0 comma beta. Center lies on y-axis. Then the circle equation is what? X minus alpha is 0, x square plus y minus beta whole square. And this is only radius, right? That is nothing but beta is equal to beta square. This is the equation of the circle passing through 0 comma 0 and having center on x-axis, having center on y-axis. So these are the different types of circles. And here the one question is there. The equation of the circle of radius 3 or is 3 that lies in fourth quadrant and touching the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Fourth quadrant. Here the circle is there. Touching x-axis and y-axis. And radius is given what? 3. Radius is given 3. So this is also given 3. Then this and this point will be what? This point will be, this is negative, right? So on y-axis x is 0. 0 comma minus 3. And this is minus 3 comma 0. These are the points. And the center is what? 3 comma 3. Is asking what is the circle equation. The equation of the circle with radius 3 that lies in fourth quadrant and touching the lines x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 means x-axis and y-axis is both axis. Na circle touching both axis means here you will get what? X is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3. Which is lies in which quadrant? fourth quadrant. Sorry, this not lies here. This lies here. Then the diagram will be, I will give here. Coordinate geometry diagram must diagram. Solution easy. So this is the circle touching x-axis and y-axis. And what is the radius given? 3, 3. And this will be what? In fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. This is the center alpha comma beta. And r is clearly 3. And r on the center on the x minus h whole square, y minus k whole square is equal to r square, touching both axes. X minus alpha whole square, x minus 3 whole square, plus y minus beta whole square, y plus 3 whole square is equal to alpha square, that is 3 square. Simplification is the solution, that is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y, and this is 3, 3, 1, 3 square cancel, plus 9 is equal to 0 is the answer. And next we have parametric equations. And you know already parametric equations, x equal to x1 plus r minus r cos theta, y equal to y1 plus r minus r sin theta. Yeah. Parametric equations. See here, parametric equations of a curve describing the coordinates of a point on the curve in terms of a single variable. We call this single variable is as a parameter. R కావచ్చు, C కావచ్చు, A కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. Here, the parametric equations of a circle with center h comma k, with center h comma k, C is equal to h comma k. The parametric equations of a circle with center h comma k and radius r, and radius r which is greater than 0 or should be positive, radius kabatti r is given by x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Already I think you have idea, x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta, and theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. Theta lies between 0 to 2 pi, sorry, 0 less than or equal to 2 pi. Okay. Now, the parametric point of a circle. These are the parametric equations. Then the point is nothing but x comma y is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. I told you the equations which are satisfying the given curve is nothing but called parametric equations. Suppose if నువ్వు h ని తీసుకొచ్చేసి x minus h is equal to r cos theta, and take k this side, y minus k is equal to r sin theta. Now squaring on both sides and adding both. Then this is x minus h whole square, and this is y minus k whole square, and is equal to r square cos square theta, and this is r square sin square theta. If you take r square common, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. This is the circle equation. Already we know. So parametric equations means which are satisfying the given condition, given equation, given circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, statements, whatever it is, should satisfy. Manaku satisfy aithe vaati parametric equation untadi with some parameter. Here the parameter is what? R is the parameter. Okay. So this is about parametric equations and some conditions there. That is the parametric equations of the circle with center 0 comma 0 what? If center 0 comma 0, then h comma k is what? 0 comma 0. Then the parametric equations will be x is equal to h0, so r cos theta, y is equal to k0, therefore r sin theta. ఏ సర్కిల్ కి అయితే సెంటర్ 0 0 ఉంటుందో ఆ సర్కిల్ పారామెట్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇవి. ఏ సర్కిల్ కి అయితే సెంటర్ h, k ఉంటుందో అండ్ రేడియస్ r ఉంటుందో ఆ సర్కిల్ కి ఇవి పారామెట్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. అండ్ ఏ సర్కిల్ కి అయితే సెంటర్ -g, -f కూడా ఉండొచ్చు, అప్పుడు ఏంటి -g + r cos theta y is equal to -f + r sin theta. Why? Because -g -f is the center, h, k is the center, 0 0 is the center. Okay. And equation of the third joining of 2 points theta 1 and on the circle. Equation of chord. Chord means a straight line. You will get the equation in terms of single variable with power 1, degree 1. So is what asking equation of a chord like this or this, whatever it is. Equation of a chord joining of the points theta 1 and theta 2, theta 1, theta 2 on the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. That's why I took this circle. Center 0, 0 on the circle. So the equation of this chord or this chord with the points theta 1, theta 2. Points general గా PQ అలా తీసుకోవాలి. కానీ theta 1, theta 2 ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నామంటే these are parametric points. This theta 1 is what? R cos theta 1, R cos R sin theta 1. This theta 2 is what? R cos theta 2, R sin theta 2. Parametric equation. H, k లేవు కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ R cos theta, R sin theta. Theta 1 కాబట్టి R cos theta 1, sin theta 1. R cos theta 2, sin theta 2 are the parametric equation. So ఆ points ఇచ్చినప్పుడు when they given the parametric point, the equation of the chord with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square is, that equation is, remember